Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, POD with Kawa. Have you ever felt frustrated finding a good font for your design? But no matter how many fonts you try, none of them match with the font you have in your head. Then this video is going to solve this problem forever. So now, without wasting any more time, let's dive right in. As you probably know that Creative Fabrica is a fantastic online platform for designers, crafters, and anyone who loves creating unique digital projects. It's packed with thousands of fonts, graphics, SVGs, and templates, making it a go-to resource for everything from social media posts to print-on-demand designs. And it launched. One of its newest and coolest features is the font generator, which lets you create custom fonts effortlessly. Whether you're working on a branding project, a personal design, or just want to experiment with typography, this tool makes the process fun and easy. And this video is going to be a short tutorial of this feature. This feature uses artificial intelligence to create what you have in your head into fonts. So now let's check out how you can use it. To generate it, just click on Generate Your Font, and it will take you to this page. Here you just have to describe what kind of font you want. Like here, I want a vintage script font, so I'll just type that. You can also select a style for your font, which is decorative if you want beautiful curves in your font, artistic for cursive or hand, and vintage style, fancy. For now I'll just select fancy and then click on this arrow button to generate. And AI will start its work and try to generate the best matching font for you. And within a few seconds you will get your font. Our font is generated and you can preview them now. You can type whatever you want to check if it suits your text or not. And you can try your font on different colors also. Now, if we scroll down, we can see a preview of all the glyphs separately, like small, capitals, and symbols also. And you can regenerate any glyphs if you don't like the current one. Just click on Regenerate and you can change the style as many times you want. You can select the best one you like and click on Accept. And the font generator is completely free for unlimited use. However, you need credits to download the font. It takes 1,000 credits to download the font, and to download it, you just need to click on the Download Font button. And if you don't like the generated font, then you can just discard it and you will get back all your credits. That is 1,000 per font, but with premium membership you get unlimited generations and downloads. And you can take 1 month free trial of this tool and generate unlimited fonts for 1 month, though you can always upgrade to a premium plan, and you just need a free account of Creative Fabrica to access this tool. I'll give the link in the description, so do check it out. Creative Fabrica offers other incredible suite of tools beyond just fonts and graphics. With Creative Fabrica Studio, you can effortlessly design stunning projects, while Creative Fabrica Flow provides a free AI image generator to bring your creative visions to life. And there are many other amazing tools to explore, making it a one-stop hub for all things creative. And you should try it right away, as it is available for free till March 2025, so do check it out. So, this sums up this video. Are you going to use this feature? Please let me know in the comments section. Hope this video was helpful, and if it was, please like and subscribe to my channel, so that you don't miss any upcoming useful videos. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay creative and stay awesome.